Welcome everybody to IDB. It is Andrew here. Sylvania has another new light bulb coming to their HomeKit lineup, and this one is completely unique, and we have not seen a single light bulb like this in the HomeKit ecosystem. Not a single one. This is the first one of its kind, which is definitely pretty cool. So this is their new Filament bulb. It's their Smart Plus line of bulbs. Very, very nice. We've covered most of them in the past, like their soft white one, their full color LED, as well as their light strip. So there are tons of different options, and this is the one that is probably the most exciting to me. It has the HomeKit coat printed ever so small on the back, Smart Plus logo on the front, and other than that, it is just this really awesome retro looking filament style bulb. These have been hard to find, but they've been super popular lately. If you go to any craft beer place, local bars, you see them all over the place. They really match that new farm home aesthetic style that's been going on recently, and they look really, really cool. They're about 650 lumens, so they're not the brightest by any means, but these tend to never be the one that are supposed to be really bright. They're supposed to be in those more stylish areas, like a kitchen or a bar area, where it really starts to mesh. Like any HomeKit product, setup is dead simple. Simply plug it in, or in this case, screw it in, then open the Home app, enter the code, which is either included in the manual or you can get that tiny one off the side of the light bulb. Put that in your Home app, it'll go ahead and pair, give it a name, choose the room, and you're good to go. Now this filament style does not have any options as far as color changing. It does simply come in that nice, soft, warm white color, but you can for sure go ahead and dim it from 100% all the way down to 0. If we get a little bit close, you can see all the intricacies going on here that give it that really unique look when it's actually plugged in. You can now control this light through Siri, like any of the other HomeKit lights, or through the Home app. You can go ahead and dim it, changing the brightness, or you can go in and actually just turn it on and off by a simple tap. What's so lovely about HomeKit products is they work with any other HomeKit products. So you can set up automations that are based on things like geofencing, like when people come or leave a specific time of day, or when other accessories are controlled or detect something. I really usually like ones like when people arrive, and especially with iOS 11, been changed a little bit more. Like when people leave, it only turns off when the last person happens to leave. Turning on and off based on the time of day is also handy, even based around sunset. I've got a few of these in my bar area, and I have them on a motion sensor, and it works really, really well. They look super great, and I've had a lot of compliments, not only because they look like cool bulbs, but they also happen to be smart bulbs that work by themselves. If you have any questions about these, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to help you out. And if you want to pick one or several up, there is a link below in the description. Make sure you check out all of our other HomeKit reviews and tutorials, as well as the other ones on the specific Smart Plus lineup from Sylvania. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to see more like it. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.